The research we do in our lab is focused on predicting properties of materials using computer simulations, and also on developing ways we can use those simulations to develop new materials or processes. So we have a lot of applications we look at. Some of them are developing new polymers, developing new catalysts that can be used to improve chemical processes. We do surfactant design, which is something that can be applied both on doing green chemistry, green separations, and also in carbon sequestration and oil recovery. We do work on understanding crystallization, which is important in drug manufacturing, in developing new drugs. And we also look at high pressure effects in porous materials, which can be used to study high pressure chemistry and also use it for applications in catalysis. We also have collaborations where we look at selective atomic layer deposition, which is used to make microchips, and chemical looping combustion, which is a green process for burning fuels. So some of the impact of our research is on developing new materials and new processes. We have some particular applications we look into. One is understanding drug manufacturing processes, so we can make cheaper drugs and also use some of the money saved to do research on developing new drugs, which is really important. We also look for clean separations and to do difficult separations. So one example is separating dioxin from water. That's a problem in North Carolina because some of our water sources are increasingly polluted with this thing and it's very hard to separate from water. We also work on methods that can be used to capture carbon dioxide and sequester it, so inject it onto spent oil reservoirs so that way you keep it out of the atmosphere. Our students gain expertise in molecular modeling, which is a tool that is being used more and more in different industries because it now has the ability to be really predictive and study the behavior of really complex materials. This will become really the platform in the future for developing new products and developing new chemical processes, and having this expertise coming out of grad school gives you an edge. You can go ahead and start working on that right away.